Hi, welcome back. Today is Black Friday and I'm done with my office work, so now I'm heading towards Eaton Center, which is the mall here nearby. So let's go together and let's show you how the Black Friday sale here in Canada looks like. It's very windy. See? So those of you who don't know, Eaton Center is the mall located in downtown Toronto. Wow, look at that reindeer. This is beautiful. Oh my god, the store that you see here is Zara. Lots and lots of people here. This drove me crazy, so heading out of the store right away. And the next stop is Uniqlo. It's a really good store with quality stuff. So I'm at the Uniqlo store here and they have really cute stuff. See, there's a sale. This is $60 and earlier it was $100. Then on those puffer jackets also they have a sale. It's written $180. Let's see what was the original price. Oh my god, not much. It was $200, so just $20 discount. So for those people who feel that it's really cold out here, then probably you can invest in one of these leggings. It's heat tech technology. If you can see right here, they have the thermals like the vest as well. Yeah, normally these cost $19, $19.90. Today it's $14.90. So I looked around, there's not much discount at the store, probably $20-$30, and some of the items are not even discounted, whereas at other stores it's usually everything up to 40 up to 50% off. These jackets are on sale. So this originally was, it was $90 and now it's $70. This is how it looks like. Now I'm at H&M and I can see a lot of red stickers here. So let's see. This is 70% off. So that's a lot. This is $15.99. This also has 70% off. $20, 70%. This t-shirt, $19.99, 70% off again. So simple t-shirts, Coca-Cola and NASA. And those t-shirts are also on discount. Let's take a quick look at the guys section. So this is $8 and you are going to get it at 70% off. So I think this is a pretty good deal. You can get 2-3 solid color t-shirts to wear at home, since it's all work from home these days and you do need stuff, or even for outside. I don't mind this. Now I'm going to check some loungewear. So we have 40% off almost everything. Let's see. I'll get this. So finally found something. I'm standing in line for Aldo. Let's see if I find the knee length boots I'm looking for. Long story short, I did not like what I was looking for. Take a close look at this coat. I literally fell in love with this one because it's thick, it's stylish, and I love that fur there. So won't go inside Hollister today because I did all my shopping from Hollister yesterday. But of course, I'll show you once I get back home what all did I buy from Hollister. The store, I went there for the first time, I don't know why. But the stuff there is pretty amazing, so you should check it out. Old Navy also has up to 50% off. This store, Blue Notes here, it's up to 75% off. So thirsty right now, so I'm going to grab myself a bubble tea and it's worth it. One time I tried, I think I didn't try the right one and I hated it. But the second time I figured out the right order and I love it. When you come here to Canada, make sure that you try it. If you're already here and haven't tried it already, then of course you've got to try it. This is the Dundas Square and now I am heading to Canadian Tire.
58% on this. So here I think there are pretty good deals. Save $60 on the microwave. By the way, if you're a student, you don't need to spend a lot, like $169.99. You can get microwaves from Walmart in $50-60. So on the wok, it's 70% off. MRP was $119 and it's just $35 now. And it's pretty big and comes with that glass lid. Nice shape. The Instant Pot was $180, now it's $120. This is also a good deal.
In this store, you get a lot of items. You get bicycles, you get Christmas trees, you get pots, you get plants, you get, even that Scotch tape that you were looking for. Of course, you saw the cookware. So this is one-stop store destination and you should check it out.
I'm just at the exit door and it's so cold. So I'm going to go home. Once I reach home, I'll show you what all I got. And also I'll show you the price that I got it at, what was the initial price, what was the discount. So now let me go home, slip into a blanket because it's really cold outside. So this is Best Buy. You can see the line. Let me show you till where it extends. All the way down there. So it's one street full of people lined up for Best Buy. Okay, so now it's the time to show you what all did I get, what discount that I received on that, and what's the price that I had to actually pay. So let's start first with these. Oh, you can see the mess that I've created. Okay, so this is the shorts that I got. It looks like you're wearing a blanket, and this I don't remember what exactly the cost was. I think I got this for $15 to $25 after 40% discount. So it's worth it. Then we have this here, pretty good deal on this one. It's a comfy home dong t-shirt. This was $20 after 70% discount. I got this for $6 or $7 after taxes. Now let's show you what did I get from Hollister. I'm sorry, let me clear the mess. And it wasn't a mess. I recorded it earlier, but then I remember that I had my humidifier running, so I have to reshoot it again, so that's why. Now, I didn't show you, the Hollister store, but I went there one day earlier. So pro tip, if you want to avoid the rush and if you want to keep sane while shopping, then you can even go on Thursday. Not all the stores will have their sales running on Thursday, but most of them will have it. So this is a woolen dress that I got myself. This was for $60, and let me see for how much did I get it for. I got it for $36 after 40% discount. So at Hollister everything was 40%. Then I got this, a pair of jeans. Okay, let me show you, like this. So these are flared ones. I was looking for these and I finally got these. It's $58. I got these for $35. And now this I can say that I splurged. Like, it wasn't exactly a need, but it has been on my list for quite some time. So I got this woolen skirt as well. Now the MRP of this is $50. I got it for $30. So yes, I'm happy about this. Now apart from this, I got a wool coat from Guess, originally to $49, but after the discount I got it just for $166. I know you will say just for $166, but actually it's a good deal because all the coats that I saw at other stores, those were like $100, $130, but they were not thick. So I wanted a coat which would be of course stylish, but along with that would be functional. Pretty good deal. Now apart from clothing, I got one pant. Pretty good deal on that. 70% on the pant only costed $17 or $18. Apart from that, I got this humidifier. Let me just turn the camera. Yeah, excuse the mess of the laptop charger there. So this I got for I think $60 to $70. It's 4 liters. It doesn't require a filter, so no recurring cost. So I think I didn't get much discount on this one, but I needed this, so I bought it anyway. So this was my Black Friday shopping. I hope that you enjoy this new kind of vlog thing. I will be doing more vlogs. I know that the house tour that hasn't been up on my channel, I shot it once but the video quality was terrible, so I'm going to reshoot it and it will be live on my channel soon. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you like my content, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. That gives a lot of encouragement, so that would be great. And you can also hit the bell notification that you get updated whenever I upload a video. Until my next video, take care and stay happy. Bye.